Origami is an art form that involves folding paper into a variety of shapes and forms. While it is often associated with Japanese culture, it has been practiced around the world for centuries. In recent years, origami has gained more mainstream recognition and has been used in everything from science to fashion. Origami has its roots in ancient China, where paper was invented around the 1st century AD. It was not until the 6th century AD that paper folding techniques were introduced to Japan. At this time, paper was an expensive and rare commodity, so origami was primarily used for ceremonial purposes such as creating paper cranes to wish someone good luck.
In origami, the same simple concepts yield everything from a paper crane with about 20 steps to this dragon with over 1,000 steps.
Over time, origami became more widely practiced in Japan, and many of the folding techniques that are still used today were developed during the Edo period. One of the most famous origami designs from this time is the frolicking frog, which is still a popular model today. In the early 20th century, origami began to gain more recognition as an art form in its own right. One of the most influential figures in the history of modern origami was Akira Yoshizawa, who is credited with developing many of the folding techniques that are used today. Yoshizawa was born in 1911 and began folding paper at a young age. He eventually went on to publish over 18 books on origami, as well as designing countless origami models. His work has been exhibited in museums around the world, and his legacy continues to inspire a new generation of origami artists. Today, origami is practiced by people all over the world, and there are many different styles and techniques. Some artists specialize in creating complex multi-piece models, while others focus on simple, elegant designs. There are also many different types of paper that can be used for origami, ranging from traditional washi paper to modern synthetic materials. One interesting application of origami is in the field of science. Engineers and researchers have used origami principles to design everything from solar panels to heart stents. For example, in 2014, a team of scientists developed an origami-inspired solar panel that can be folded up for easy transport and then unfold to produce sun energy. Similarly, in 2016, a group of researchers created an origami-inspired stent that can be compressed for insertion into the body and then expand to provide support for blood vessels.
Traditional stent graft, a tube used to open and support damaged blood vessels. Through tessellation, the rigid tubular structure folds into a compact sheet about half its expanded size. Origami principles have been used in airbags, solar arrays, self-folding robots, and even DNA nanostructures. Who knows what possibilities will unfold next?
Another interesting application of origami is in fashion. Designers have used origami techniques to create everything from dresses to shoes. One designer, Marlos Ten Boma, has created a series of origami-inspired shoes that can be custom-fitted in the wearer's feet. Each shoe is made from a single piece of material that is folded into shape, creating a unique and elegant design. The art of origami is a fascinating and versatile art form that has been practiced for centuries.
Many origami artists have felt the need or the desire to create their own version of this iconic insect. My level 1 would be the traditional Japanese cicada.
From its roots in ancient China and Japan to its modern application in science and fashion, origami has continued to evolve and inspire. As we continue to explore new techniques and applications, it is clear that origami will continue to play an important role in the world of art and design.